Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Chatting with Fat, the Cowboy Hat edition. Yeah, I had this hat since I was down in Texas about 9 years ago. Yeah, and I figured out since I was gonna be in Texas, might as well look the part. So got a cowboy hat there, and had that thing ever since. Don't wear it much, but I just felt like wearing it today. So yeah, how y'all doing? Well, today I'm super tired. Just woke up from a bit of a nap. Food coma. Yeah. Don't got much to say this week, so I'm just gonna leave you guys with a pretty shot of my little area that I like to sit here at and watch when I have a cigar. It's a little windy right now, so I'm gonna wait for the wind to die down a little bit to enjoy the cigar. But yeah, I'll just point the camera that way and let you guys enjoy a little bit of that. So I got nothing of worth to say to you guys today, so I might actually put some music on top of this as well. Yeah, I'll take care. hope you folks enjoyed that. I'm gonna sit here, finish a cigar. I'm gonna upload this. So, well, have yourself a fantastic day. Sorry I wasn't overly chatty this week. And, catch you guys next video. Remember to always stay awesome and toodles.